You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase or this contraction in English. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English that many pronounce wrong. So make sure to stay tuned. How do you say it? Should have, the contraction of should and have. An example of sentence would be, oh, this morning I really should have taken some more gas, put more gas in my tank, the tank of my car. I should have done that really earlier. Should have, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.